Alright, hey, what is up, guys? So, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be changing it up a little bit. I've never really done this before, but I see a lot of people getting on that like flip challenge kind of thing. So I'm gonna see if I can turn X amount of money into whatever. I don't really know. Obviously we're here parked in the Goodwill parking lot in Arizona. More if you're curious, in Tempe. And so I'm gonna go do kind of some thrifting, see if there's anything there that's underpriced that I could just go resell on eBay. And then after it all, we might go to 1 or 2 stores, depends on how much we find here. But I'm gonna go list them on eBay and I'll show you guys by the end of the video what my profit will be on everything. Maybe I might find nothing, maybe I'll find a bunch of things. Let you guys know, and we'll go film some stuff inside the store. So I'll see you guys there.
What? Just have to make sure it works.
Alright guys, so this is the first one that I ended up finding. It's a typewriter, the Smith Corona Spellwright Dictionary SD700. Ended up looking on eBay. Last one sold for $65 with the box. The other one sold for $50 without the box. As long as it's working, I think $20 with shipping on that typewriter. So that's a good find. Alright guys, so the second find that we have for you guys is this table. It's kind of crummy, but $3.99. You can get this at Goodwill for. If I put that up, I'm gonna offer up $20, $30, say like that. So that's number 2 for you guys. Alright guys, so we're kind of going to the clothing section. I've had some success in the past looking, because we've tried to do this in the past, but you can find some really cheap jerseys that you can resell as long as they're really good condition. Goodwill always has some really good jerseys you can find as well. So. Alright, so we just got out of that Goodwill. Probably 2 items we really found was that table and that typewriter. The typewriter easily put that on eBay. The table, I mean, as long as you have a truck, you can really resell any of that. We saw probably 3 or 4 other like shelving or table unit things that are like couple dollars, like less than $10, that you could easily put on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Letgo, Craigslist. Probably in a day or two, you'd probably cop an extra 10, 20, possibly even $30 profit on each of them. So if you want to make an extra 50 bucks a day, that's an easy way to do it. Again, you'd probably need a little bit bigger of a vehicle, like a truck, to put those in. So we didn't really find too much there, but we're gonna head over to a second Goodwill and kind of see what we can find, hoping to find some sort of like clothing or another piece of electronic we could resell on eBay. So I'll catch you guys when we get there. Store number 2, here we go. Thrifting at its finest.
Oh, really? You can do it?
No. Whoa. Shredding the gnar. Here's a TV stand. You could selling for $14.99. I think I could probably put this on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace for probably 30 bucks. Probably get an extra 25, so maybe a $10 profit on that. Pretty easy pickup. I mean, even this desk, you just polish it up a little bit. $9.99. I had a similar desk to this, just like this, that I sold a couple months ago. 50 bucks. Buy this for 10. Again, you're probably going to need a little bit more of a truck to fit this in, but I mean, 10 bucks, probably make $20, $30, $40 profit on that alone. So that's crazy. You can see the furniture of these places goes for dirt cheap. Just a little cleanup and you'll be chilling, making some money. So no excuses, you people. Alright guys, so just to finish up at the second Goodwill, that's pretty much it that I have. I'm not going to go to another one. I think I found enough ways that you guys can make money. As you guys can see, I don't know if you were expecting me to buy the things. I didn't go in intending to buy anything, and I didn't end up actually buying anything. One, I don't have a big car. I drive like a BMW, so none of those furniture things would ever fit or anything like that. And 2, I'm high-key banned on eBay, so I couldn't resell any of those things myself. But that doesn't mean you guys couldn't go do it. I wanted to kind of show you guys like how easy it is to make money in 2019. I really don't want to see anybody saying you didn't even buy anything, you're not making money off of it. Well, like I'd put money on, and if somebody bet me 20 bucks, I'd probably go do that and show you that I could probably make 100 bucks today just alone reselling those things. And the furniture things were something I didn't even know that they would put such a low ticket price on, even at Goodwill. So go pick up a couple of those if you have a truck, or even if you just have a buddy, pay him like $5-10 bucks to go pick it up. You can carry maybe 5 or 6 of those shelves, makes $20-30 profit minimum each, and bam, there's 100 bucks for you. I'd recommend hitting Facebook Marketplace, Letgo, OfferUp, Craigslist. You guys know all those local reselling apps. eBay if you're not banned like me. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. A little bit different for my channel, but if you guys do want to see more things like this, let me know in the comment section. Sorry, I'm using like my limp hand or whatever because it's in a cast. But leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you do enjoy today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the family yet, hit that subscription button down below. I'd appreciate the support so much. And with that said, enough for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one.